but the wrongdoers substituted a different word from the one they were told. So we sent down upon the wrongdoers a plague, as a punishment, from heaven because of their persistent disobeying. And, recall, when Moses, prayed for water for his people. We directed, strike that rock with your stick, then 12 springs gushed out of that rock. Verily, each clan identified their respective drinking place. We said, smiley face, eat and drink of the sustenance given by Allah, but do not seek to do mischief in the land. And when you said, O Moses, we cannot be content with only one kind of food, so pray to your Lord, in our favor, that he may bring forth for us of cultivated produce, green herbs, cucumbers, wheat, garlic, lentils, and onions. Moses said to his people, do you demand something inferior in exchange for something superior? And if that is what you wish, then, go down to any city. Surely, there will be available all what you demand. Then dishonor and deprivation were brought upon them, and they incurred the wrath of Allah because they used to deny the signs of Allah and kill the prophets unjustly. This was also because they used to disobey and would, always, exceed limits. Verily, those who have believed, and those who were Jews and Christians and Sabians, those of them who believe in Allah and the last day and act piously, there is for them their reward with their Lord. Neither shall any fear afflict them, nor shall they grieve. And, recall, when we took a firm promise from you and raised the Mount of Sinai high above you, so that you hold fast firmly what we have given you. And bear in mind whatever is written in this book, the Torah, so that you become pious.